Hello. In this video, I'll show you how to install and set up XCIPTV using Downloader. If you face any login issues or need the playlist format, message me on WhatsApp. Open the Downloader app and tap the URL field. Type 250.931, then press Go. Now scroll down, you'll see XCIPTV app. Click on Download, app will be installed. When the APK downloads, tap Install and wait for installation to finish. Don't open any channels, this is just the app setup. Now open XCIPTV. Enter URL, username, and password you were given. Double-check spelling, then tap Sign In. After successful login, you will see the app dashboard or menu. Again, this video only shows how to set up the app, not how to play content. If you need help with the playlist format or login details, message me on WhatsApp. Thank you.